Welcome to Minute Tech. In this episode, we'll be talking about Apple's recent releases. Back in June, Apple held its Worldwide Developers Conference. Tim Cook announced that Apple computers would transition from Intel processors to its own custom processor referred to as Apple Silicon, based on the chips being used in Apple's touch devices. Along with the release of macOS Big Sur, Apple promises a processor that is blazingly fast with low power consumption. On November 10th, Apple announced which Macs would be the first to use the new CPU. The first generation of Apple Silicon processor for Mac will be the M1. Apple claims that the M1 will have up to 3.5 times the performance of competing CPUs. The first M1 computer Apple announced was the MacBook Air. Unique to this model is a cooling system that does not use a fan. Next up was the MacBook Pro 13-inch. The two entry-level models were upgraded to M1, while the higher-end models are staying Intel-based for now. The power efficiency means these notebooks can run up to 20 hours per charge. Apple also offered an M1 version of the Mac Mini. With the M1, the Mac Mini now becomes an affordable choice for video and music creation. Starting educational pricing will be as follows. Thanks for joining us for this episode of Minute Tech. The UMass Store is an Apple-authorized campus store.